Yes, hello Outdoor Kara. This is your boy Next Outdoor Inhinyerong Gala and welcome to another episode of Inhinyerong Gala Vlogs. And for today's video, we are going to unbox my very first ever drone. Yes, drone. And here it is in 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Sa mga bago sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. In 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Yes, this is the first ever release of DJI MAVIC Mini. For today's video, may twist tayo because I am going to shoot this vlog in English. So wish me luck guys. Kakayanin ko itong pag-i-English sa buong duration ng vlog. Anyways, I went to DJI Philippines in Trinoma. Just last November 3, I pre-ordered this new release of DJI MAVIC Mini. Yes, I pre-ordered this one since this is a new release from DJI just last week of October, I guess. So it is still not available that time, so I have to pre-order this one. So they said that it will take around like 1 month, but fortunately we already got this one just not November 17, so it's way too early. I didn't expect it. So, ba yan, nahirapan ako mag-English.
Hey, what happened?
Struggle is real! Alright guys, so just a disclaimer, this is not a sponsored post from DJI, pero DJI, baka naman. This is not a sponsored post, and you know, I bought this one with my left kidney in the pawn shop. Alright, still have my stitches. Just kidding. What made me decide to buy this drone? So first, because I am a backpacker, mountain climber. My very first consideration in buying a drone or any camera is its portability and its weight. I have been carrying a lot of stuff already in my backpack, so bringing along heavy cameras or drones is not really practical for me. But fortunately, DJI has come up with this drone that is so lightweight and so portable. Right guys, so it's just almost the same size as this phone. Later we will going to introduce this one, and really it's really portable and it's very light. At 249 grams, it's really light. So I guess this is the lightest one from DJI. Here in the Philippines, actually, it's not really an issue if you buy drones that is 7 kilograms or lesser, because you don't need to register and have a certification for flying the drone. But in US and in Europe, it's really a big thing because their limit for they really need to register, and at the same time they have to get a license in order to fly this drone if the drone weighs 250 grams and up. So, which is a good thing also in US and Europe. So this one is only 249, so you don't need really to register and get a certification in order to fly this drone. So second reason why I bought this drone, because at 26,000 pesos, no, it's not way cheaper, but compared to other premium and professional drones from DJI, it's way cheaper, right? But it's cheap, but it doesn't mean that it's low quality. So upon review by tech guys I saw on YouTube, they said that it is, though it does not match those of the professional drones that are way expensive, but it is a par in terms of specifications, in terms of the flight time, in terms of its easiness of flying, and most importantly in terms of video quality. So they said that for beginners and for hobbyists, so this is the best drones that they can recommend. So actually there are two packages for this Mavic Mini, just like other drones. They have the standard package, which is around 21,000, and we have the Fly More combo package, that comes with extras, a lot of extras actually, extra batteries, extra propellers. They also have multi-battery charger and the propeller guards, which is not included in the standard package. But if you have the Fly More combo, you can have those things at hand. So the third one, guys, is this is for you because I want to bring and show you the best vlog experience ever by showing cinematic aerial shots, and it's my way of improving this craft and of course this channel. So I guess I have talked too much, and let's go. Without further ado, we're going to unbox this DJI MAVIC Mini.
Eventually,
All right, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1. All right. So guys, this is the Fly More combo. So what we have here is this box. So what we have here is, look at this one. So this is the drone. This is as small as this phone, right? It's just so tiny and very light. See? And yeah, it's the aircraft, it's the drone. So we also have here the controller or the console, where you are going to put your mobile phone in here. So this is the controller. We have also here the multi-battery charger. Right. And what else do we have here in this box? We have the charging wire. So we have extra controller sticks, extra connecting cable to the mobile phone. Right. And this one is the USB connector. That's what we have here. We also have extra propellers. We have 3 extra propellers. And kind of mess in here. Na makalat. We have here the charger adapter. We also have this one. Let's see. This is the manual. Yeah, this is the flight manual for the drone. We also have these extra batteries. Yes, there are 2 extra batteries. Yeah, we have here and 3. We have 3 extra batteries. Ow! For the standard package, there's only 1 battery, but for the Fly More combo, you have other 2 extra batteries. And this one is the bulky one. So this is only available for the Fly More package also. This is the Propeller Guards, which protects your drone from getting damaged. Right? Especially if you're a newbie, you should have this one in your drone because you might crash your drone and bye-bye 26K. Okay, so this will protect your drone from getting crashed or from getting damaged. You cannot protect from getting crashed, but it's the protection for the damage. Alright, yes, that's all. That's all, yeah, that's all. So yeah, this is the main thing, the drones, aircraft. This is the aircraft. Okay, maybe, yeah, that one. It's as small as a mobile phone. So if you're going to put these propeller guards, especially for newbies, so you won't get your 26K drone, just fly away and bye bye 26K. So I have to put this guard on. So I have to put this one, just have to open this locks in here, and then you put first this one, which has the, I don't know if this is the antennas or something, but this has the longer, it has a leg in it. So this is the first that you're going to get into the propeller guard. And the next one is this thing in here. Right, guys, so that's it. Then you're going to clamp this one so you won't detach. Alright, so this one. And also on the right side, the other side, I have to put this one up. So again, guys, if you are just a newbie or just a beginner of flying this drone, I would recommend you to buy this Fly More combo, because it comes with these propeller guards. But if you're already a professional, I guess you can have the standard package and you can just fly the drone without its propeller guards, because it also consumes a lot of space. Yeah, you just have to get it locked. So see, it will save your drone from getting damaged. So I guess that's all the components that I have to show you today, and that's it for today's video, Derkada. For next week, I am going to test flight this one, if we are going to successfully fly this drone. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell. Follow me on my social media accounts in Facebook, Twitter, and in Instagram. That's it for today's video. Until next time.
Here we go. Shout out.
Sa mga bago sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.